Okay, here's the update for my new Indian GP200 motor, or whatever you call it. So there's the scooter. I had to put the old motor back in and hook it back up because there's the motor that I got. And once I had it in and hooked up the cables and stuff, the clutch won't release. And that probably has something to do with the Kickstarter shaft here. You can see it's sticking out a little bit. When you kick it, it goes in. When you release it, the shaft moves out. So that's not supposed to move. That's not supposed to move, and this is supposed to disengage the clutch. And it does not. So I'm going to have to take it to my buddy Stuart's Lancaster Lambretta, and he's going to crack it open and see what the hell these Indians did, and probably fix a bunch of other crap that's not right with it too. Who knows? Anyway, so there it is. It's back out. More to come when the motor comes back.